We are here. We're outside the Northrop and Grummin dungeon. It's a higher level quest, and I haven't checked it out before. Let's go check it out. Let's go explore. I've seen a couple bandits on the way here, so we do got to be on the lookout a little, but I don't have a lot of loot on me, so it shouldn't really be a problem. Oh, you know what? We can do that. We're going to do that after, though. Let's go check this out. Northrop Grummin. All right. I'm gonna go up and press E. And that's gonna open the door for you. Oh, it's a very nice lobby. Yeah, this is like a level 23 dungeon, so I don't think I'm a high enough level to do the dungeon yet, but you know, we're exploring. We're out here, we're playing some first-person life. Man, what a great company, though. This place is doing just so much good stuff for the world. Restroom. Oh, wow. It's a pretty nice restroom. I don't know if you guys saw, I did a restroom review in real life, not in first-person life. I might have to do a review of this one in the game. But yeah, I've been having a lot of fun with the game. I don't know about you guys. If you're having fun with the game, go ahead and leave a comment in the description below. Yeah, like I said, I don't think I'm a high enough level for this dungeon. Yeah, we're gonna have to level up some more. Hey, how you guys liking the game? How you guys liking the game? First person life?
What, are you an employee here?
Huh?
Are you an employee here?
No, I'm playing the game. I'm just exploring the map.
Okay. You need to leave the property quickly.
I gotta leave the property? Yeah. Why is that?
You want to come around right now, okay?
Because I'm not high enough level, huh? I'm not sure what's happening here. A lot of players here. Everyone's doing the dungeon, it looks like. A lot of high level players. A lot of high level players here. Stop filming? I can't make my Let's Play?
Keep going.
But it's for YouTube.
Keep going.
Keep going? Can I like...
Keep going.
What? Oh, what's happening?
You go this way.
Oh, there's not another door? What's over here? What's going on here? Conference room?
Not film anything in here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we might have to check out a different dungeon, guys.
I need your driver's license.
No thank you. I walked here. I don't drive.
You have ID?
No.
Why not?
Sir, what have I done wrong?
Private property. Not allowed in here.
Yeah, but I just delivered a DoorDash to one of your employees, so...
Oh.
I got,
well, that's different then. Oh, you're playing... Okay, I know what you're playing.
Huh?
That's it. No. I know what you're playing.
Oh, okay.
The gate.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you now.
All right, well, thanks for being a good sport, man.
Okay.
I love you. Thank you.